I'm back. Yes, I'm blitzing y'all. I love this product so much. You have to drop ship. When it comes to e-commerce, you gotta drop ship. So what is drop shipping? How do you drop ship? Drop ship is pretty much when you got an order that comes in and you get your notification and you actually go to the site, order the product that was brought to your site, and you actually ship it to the person. That's drop shipping. Just like when you if you was ever in a fundraiser with Krispy Kreme donuts or the Boy Scouts popcorn or the girls, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that there, the Girl Scout cookies. You came to your troop leader or you came to your person with all the orders that you got. See, these people are anticipating this product. They took the orders, they took the money, then they went back to the distributor and we got this, that, and the third. So they got, okay, we got this many Thin Mints. We got this many flavored popcorn. We got, this many Krispy Kreme glazed donut orders. So they bring them, and then they bring them to you. And then what do? You go to each house. Here go your cookies. Here go your popcorn. Here go your Krispy Kreme donuts. That's what drop shipping is. All right. Now, the drop shipping, to make it easy and seamless, you need to learn more aspects of it. And when you get the Instaecom funnel, you're going to learn more about drop shipping and how to make drop shipping seamlessly and easy. Okay? So, do not miss this offer. Don't miss this at all. The active drop shipping is pretty much the lifeline of e-commerce. And if that's something that you're going to get in and you got to drop ship, just like if you order something, if you sell something, if you, I wrote a book. So when people when they want an autographed copy of the book, what I do, I tell them to send me the money through PayPal or Stripe or whatever I got set up. And once I get the order, I see it, I go to the post office, I send it off. That's drop shipping. All right. And then, like I say, drop shipping with e-commerce is better because you don't even have to have the product with you. You don't even have to have the product with you. You just go to the site, send it off. It's just that simple. Just like if somebody says, hey, some people using other people's Amazon account. I ordered it. All right, man, when it gets here, I'll bring it to the job and give it to you. All right, cool. So, learn more about drop shipping. Make drop shipping seamless process in your business by getting this great product that I'm overjoyed about. All right, peace. Click the link below and go ahead and check it out. All right.